chemistry class. So today in this video we will complete our uses of non-metal. So firstly we will start with oxygen. So oxygen is a colorless and odorless gas. So colorless means it doesn't have any color and odorless means it doesn't have any smell. Then it is a life supporting gas. Why it is a life supporting gas? Because you know that without oxygen we cannot survive. So that's why it is a life supporting gas. In hospitals, oxygen cylinders are used for artificial respiration. So for artificial respiration, oxygen cylinders are used in hospitals. Then deep sea divers and space travelers carry oxygen cylinder, because when we move up and down to our earth, then the amount of oxygen decreases. So that's why this oxygen cylinders are needed for the deep sea divers and the space travelers. Then it is used as an oxidizing agent for converting the metals and non-metals into oxides. So its another function is to converting the metals and non-metals into oxides. It is used in the manufacture of iron and steel. So iron and steel are prepared with the help of oxygen. Oxygen is necessary for the combustion of fuels. So it gives the burning effect to the fuels. It is also used in cosmetic treatment and in the chemical industries. So these are the uses of the oxygen, and oxygen is a non-metal. So next non-metal is hydrogen. Hydrogen is also colorless, means it doesn't have any color, and odorless gas, means it doesn't have any smell. So it is the lightest gas. It is used in the hydrogenation of vegetable oils to make the vegetable ghee, means it is used for the preparation of vegetable ghee from the vegetable oils. It is used in the manufacture of ammonia. So what is ammonia? Ammonia is NH3. This is the formula of ammonia. So ammonia is prepared when one nitrogen atom combined with the 3 hydrogen atoms. So it is used in the manufacturing of ammonia. Liquid hydrogen is used as a rocket fuel. So hydrogen in the liquid form is used for the rocket fuel. So next non-metal is sulfur. Sulfur is a yellow crystalline solid used to make fungicides and insecticides, means it is used to kill fungi and insects. It is used in the firework also, because it is used for making the gunpowder. So gunpowder is also made from the sulfur. It is also used in the vulcanization of rubber. But what is the vulcanization? Vulcanization is a chemical process in which we heat the rubber with sulfur up to 140 to 160 degrees Celsius. Then the rubber become elastic, weather resistant. Okay. So this is the process is called the vulcanization. Then next non-metal is nitrogen. Nitrogen is a colorless and odorless gas. It is also colorless and odorless. Then it is the another element used by the plants for the fixation in the form of nitrates. Then it is also used in the preparation of ammonia, because in the formula of ammonia one nitrogen is present. So it is also used for the manufacturing of ammonia. Then it is also used to prepare nitrogen fertilizers. In case of fertilizers, we also use the nitrogen to prepare the fertilizers. Okay. So liquid nitrogen is used to preserve food, tissues and human organs. It is also used in the manufacture of electric bulbs and dyes. So these are the uses of the nitrogen. That this is used to prepare ammonia, fertilizers, and also preserve food, tissues, human organs, and also manufacturing the electric bulbs and dyes. Next non-metal is phosphorus. There are two varieties of phosphorus. First one is the red phosphorus and the second one is the white phosphorus. And here is mentioned the function of red phosphorus, that red phosphorus is used in the match industries for making the explosives. Okay. So next one is inert gases. What are the inert gases? The gases that are chemically inert, means that are not reactive. So there are the 6 inert gases. First one is helium, second is neon, third is argon, then fourth one is krypton, fifth one is xenon, and last one is radon. So these are the inert gases, or we can say that these are the noble gases having valency 0. So firstly we will discuss about the helium. So what is helium? Helium is the second lightest element. So first lightest element is hydrogen and the second one is helium. It is filled in weather observation balloons. It is filled in the balloons. It is also used in welding. This is the second function. And when it is mixed with the oxygen, then it is used by the asthma patients. So these are the functions of helium, that this is used in balloons, weldings. When it is mixed with oxygen, then it is used for the asthma patients. Next inert gas is argon. Argon is filled in electric bulbs so as to provide an inert atmosphere to the heating filament. Means it protects the bulb from heating, so that's why it is used to improve the quality and the life of the bulb. Okay. Next one is neon. Neon is used in advertising the signboards. Okay, so neon is used in the case of signboards. Next noble gas is radon. So radon is only radioactive inert gas that is used for the cancer treatment. So for cancer treatment, noble gas is used, radon. Okay. So next one is xenon and krypton. So xenon and krypton find application in photography. So in case of photography, xenon and kryptons are used. Okay.